5 से 8 हज़ार रुपये महीने में मिलते थे, जिसमें कॉलेज निकालना होता था महीने का।
सिर्फ 5 से 8 हज़ार सिर्फ पर्सनल एक्सपेंसेस के लिए मिलते थे।
Then I did my summer intern proper, जो summer intern कॉलेज के थ्रू होती है।
Yeah.
That was per month.
Per month.
Yeah.
Mind you, I don't even earn that much now that I'm a proper full employed person. Still, I was a slave. Labor.
दिहाड़ी।
मुझे दिहाड़ी भी नहीं मिलता था यार। कुछ नहीं मिलता था। हर जगह से millions of cockroaches are there, okay, and to a point हमारे खाने में वो गिर रहे थे, तो we had to change and we were
टाइप की रेंज रहती है इन हैंड सैलरी की।
month as a journalist in Bangalore.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So आज की कॉन्वर्सेशन थोड़ी अलग है. We are not going to do some credit card deep down, any financial investment portfolios and all that. We are going to be talking about our journeys and apart from our journeys, हमारी financial journeys through the 3 cities that we've lived in. हम लोग कैसे रहते थे from being a student in Delhi to landing our first corporate job, then working in Bangalore and stuff like that. So before we get started, I would like to introduce someone जो कि मेरी तरह has lived in all these 3 cities, has a very different financial perspective as well to me, and is completely out of my she's not in tech, she's not a software engineer, and तो बिल्कुल अलग career trajectories हैं, but somehow we have lived in the 3 same cities. In fact, and timelines भी काफी matched है.
So I'll just give my quick introduction. So hi guys, this is Mihika. I'm a breaking news journalist at Thomson Reuters and I'm currently living in Bangalore. As Satvik said, yes, I have been through these 3 big metropolitan cities, be it Delhi, Mumbai and now in Bangalore. So I know Satvik since what, 2022?
Yep.
Yeah.
That was
So
okay, so let's start with the initial days, the Delhi days. So मैं अपना बताता हूँ थोड़ा पहले because I started in college early. So that was around 2019 is when I entered college. I did my college from DTU. Coming to the finances part of it, I think first year की बात थी तो first year में ऐसा था कि 5 से 8 हज़ार रुपये महीने में मिलते थे, जिसमें कॉलेज निकालना होता था महीने का by the way. तो उसमें eating out और and of course बाकी सब अलग था. हॉस्टल अलग था, हॉस्टल ऑलरेडी पेड फॉर था, अंदर मैं कॉलेज के हॉस्टल में ही रहता था. एंड मेस की फीस भी ऑलरेडी जा चुकी थी, तो 5 से 8 हज़ार नॉर्मल थोड़ा इधर उधर उड़ाने के लिए ही होता था.
5 से 8 हज़ार सिर्फ पर्सनल एक्सपेंसेस के लिए मिलते थे.
यार ये बहुत ज़्यादा तो नहीं है. आई थिंक तेरे को कितना मिलता था लाइक एंड व्हेन यू स्टार्टेड कॉलेज वगैरह वो भी बता दे.
कोविड बस खत्म हुआ था, सो फॉर द फर्स्ट 3 months we did not work from home, this corporate word is in my mind, but we did college from home for first 3 months. So 2021 I think March is when all of us went to college, the DU people went to college. Weirdly my PG fees was just 5,000 और मुझे महीने के खर्चे के लिए भी 5,000 रुपये मिलते थे.
मिल तो रहे 5,000 इतना क्या दिक्कत है.
2021, 5,000 रुपये 2019, okay, and that too 5,000 में
3 साल में ऐसी की इन्फ्लेशन हो गई भाई.
एवरीथिंग वी हैड टू डू यार 5,000 में, मतलब और शर्म नहीं आ जाती थी उसके आगे मांगने के लिए, क्योंकि 5,000 में देखा जाए तो सब कुछ हो जाना चाहिए था, बिकॉज मेरा खाना पीजी में इंक्लूडेड था. 5,000 के रेंट में इंक्लूडेड था.
5,000 के रेंट में यू शेयरिंग रूम क्या?
या आई वाज शेयरिंग अ कमरा. यस, एंड इट वाज लाइक छोटा सा माचिस की डिब्बी. अगेन आई वाज इन दिल्ली, आई वाज नॉट इन बॉम्बे. वेट फॉर माय बॉम्बे हाउस, इट्स वर्थ. हाँ, खाना सॉर्टेड था, शिटी खाना था बहुत ज्यादा, बट क्योंकि
भाई हमारे तो मेस का, मेरे को तो बहुत अच्छा लगता था डीटीयू की मेस का खाना. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर, इट वाज रियली गुड.
उन 5,000 रुपये में आई विल हैव टू डू ऑल माय पार्लर एंड ब्यूटिफिकेशन, एवरीथिंग. मुझे याद है मैं और मेरी रूममेट पहले एक एक्सेल शीट बनाते थे जिसपे हम इवन ई रिक्शा के 10 रुपये भी विल गो एंड टाइप ई रिक्शा ट्रैवल एक्सपेंस 5 रुपीज़ 10 रुपीज़. और तब मेट्रो के कार्ड में हम लोग रिचार्ज भी मात्र 150 रुपये करवाते थे.
दिल्ली में रहना और मेट्रो का प्यार इज लाइक गोज हैंड इन हैंड.
मतलब इट वाज वेरी चीप आल्सो नो फॉर अस.
कैब्स का तो कोई सीन ही नहीं था. नेवर आई टू कैब, रेयरली 3rd 4th ईयर में मे बी वंस इन अ वाइल कभी, नहीं तो नेवर वी यूज्ड टू डू.
अभी हमारे पेरेंट्स देखने वाले होंगे तो दे आर लाइक शिट, हमने इनको इतना तड़प के रखा है. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. बोथ ऑफ अस कम फ्रॉम लाइक अ वेल टू डू फैमिली, बट आई थिंक बिकॉज वो लोग सिर्फ 5,000 रुपये देते थे, दैट टॉट अस अ लॉट ऑफ हाउ टू हैंडल मनी. बिकॉज अगर ऐसे बेशुमार पैसा आया होता था, एक एक पाई हम लोग ऐसे एक्सेल शीट पर, मैं तो वही करती थी, एंड आई स्टिल समहाउ do it and it works. Recently जैसे ही मैं कॉलेज में आई थी मुझे split wise का concept पता चला था. So
Yeah.
we had the rule that एक bite split wise. Okay. So
हाँ.
if you are taking
College
a
में तो ऐसे
bite,
ही होता है वो.
exactly,
Yeah.
it's gonna go on split wise. There is no other
हाँ.
way. So there are times where, for example, my roommate is ordering something and I am hungry, but I will not touch it. I will not eat it because
Yeah.
why would I pay half the price?
Yeah.
Because
मेरे
I
ऐसा होता था सेम व्हाट हैपेंड इज कि हम लोगों को ऐसा होता था that okay हम लोगों ने maybe 2-3 people are sitting in a room है ना
Yeah.
in hostel PG whatever
Uh-huh.
and then we order something and then there's this innocent person entering into the room and like खा ले यार तेरे को मन हो रहा होगा कुछ खा ले
Never.
sometime and the moment he takes one bite everybody is like let us go
Yeah.
because अब it's not divided by 3 it's divided by 4 and सबका एक bite was too costly.
Now that we're talking about Delhi only, I think Delhi and food goes hand in hand.
Oh, yeah,
You
yeah.
can't, like say bad things about Delhi food in
Yeah.
the comments or anywhere. What was your first internship like? How much were you earning? Because I know it's a
Uh-huh.
pretty great number, okay?
No. Like in between, there were some internships जो मेरे को जो like unreal थी honestly.
Tell them
हाँ,
because
हाँ,
it's a
हाँ.
finance video after all. So
हाँ.
tell them because we've been talking about what 5,000 और हम लोग
हाँ.
कितनी दुख और उसमें जीते थे या whatever.
हाँ.
Now the real thing is going to come.
Yeah. Hey, but second year में I have done unpaid internships.
Yeah,
Then I
true,
start.
that's how we all start.
I started very early. I started internships in first year only. तो first year में मैंने unpaid भी करी है in I think Reliance वगैरह. Then I did ऐसे 3-4 हजार वाली internships I think ऐसी 2 करी है मैंने. I think 5,000 per month if I remember correctly. That was like for a web development intern.
Yeah.
Then I did my summer intern proper जो summer intern college के through होती है.
Yeah.
That was 75,000 per month.
Per month.
Yeah, very good. मतलब 75,000 में तो वही जैसे पहले 10,000 में ऐश होती थी तो अब 75,000 में तो फिर
Fully ऐश.
राजा हो मतलब तुम शहर के राजा हो.
My God.
तो
Mind you, I don't even earn that much now that I'm a proper full employed person still.
I think a couple of years back, Unacademy was launching its own data structures and algorithms platform, which is for software engineers, and that was called Relevel by Unacademy.
Okay.
So for Relevel by Unacademy, what they were doing is they were hiring college students on a contract basis. What they were doing is that उनसे problem setting and problem vetting करवा रहे थे वो लोग, which is basically अपना question bank बना रहे थे वो
Okay.
for the website. You know that they will eventually ask their students to solve and whatever.
Yeah.
So somehow I got the opportunity to be a problem vetter there. I was not even a problem setter. Setter की तो और भी बहुत ज़्यादा होती है.
हाँ.
Vetter को मिलते थे 1,500 रुपए per question.
Damn. That's
And mind
a
you, this
lot.
is a question that ठीक है यार अगर तुम्हें बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल भी है क्वेश्चन तो यू spend 2 घंटा maybe 1.5 to 2 hours on one question.
Yeah.
So even if you take out 2 hours in one day, you can get 1,500 rupees per day. If you only do one per day also, that will be 45,000 per month. ठीक है. But there have been months, and not just one, I think a couple of months, where I crossed 1.2 lakhs just doing this. I don't even understand how and why they were paying me this much. And कभी कभार तो ऐसा होता था that I used to get a question, and first of all, the first thing that we had to do is figure out if this question already exists on the
Okay.
website,
Internet, yeah.
right? So if that is the case, then we just mark it as duplicate, and that still counts as the 1,500 per question. It's not like कि
I don't
उसके लिए
like
पैसे
this.
नहीं मिलते थे.
I don't want to talk about this.
Yeah.
I feel bad.
So and of course, I think this had to happen. That company does not exist anymore. Relevel अब Unacademy नहीं चला करती है.
Yeah.
Unacademy exists, but I think this project of theirs,
Yeah, this
Relevel does
branch
not.
of them, yeah.
Because कुछ ज़्यादा burn cash कर दिया है उन्होंने मुझे लगता है starting में, which I did not mind at all. But
Good for you,
yeah,
भाई.
good
तुझे
for
तो
me.
पैसे मिल गए.
तो हाँ, so this was everything that had happened till my final year. तो then
Yeah.
final year में obviously यार थोड़ा budget बढ़ गया था. इनफैक्ट मैंने थोड़े बहुत जोमेटो के शेयर्स भी खरीद लिए थे 45 रुपीज पे, जो कि आज 300 रुपए के हैं.
good, yeah.
So हाँ, that I had done. तो फिर obviously थोड़ा बजट बढ़ गया था. I was like at 10-15K per month. घर से थोड़े ले लेता था and थोड़े मेरे पास पड़े थे. And towards the end of college मैंने सब खत्म कर दिया था, by the way.
Like wherever we all are going, we just made sure that this guy pays because he was earning in like what lakhs just by internship.
अरे,
And then I'll come to my internship. Okay, now you all listen.
I was not earning constantly. This is just
It's okay.
saved.
It's enough. I think मेरा second year खत्म हुआ था is when I was like it's high time that I should start doing internships because I knew that I have to go in media industry. So yeah, I initially you will not get any internships, okay? Because internship करने के लिए भी experience चाहिए और internship करके ही experience मिलता है. So it's like a loop that
Yeah.
I don't know somehow
Getting
we
that first internship is very hard. That's
Exactly.
true in any industry.
in any industry,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Yeah.
और हमेशा यही होता है कि they are going to treat you like some slave
Yeah.
and they're going to give you all the shit work. और मेरे पास तो unpaid internship के अलावा कोई option ही नहीं था, because even paid internships for me was like again 10K highest, and which is like industry standard के accordingly very good. In the social media management, this PR or the whole media industry
You
itself.
did not tell what degree you were doing.
Oh yeah, so I was a BA Political Science honors student. Okay, my plus the political science plus subject was psychology and sociology.
Okay.
So I was in this art domain where I was covering everything possible.
Yeah.
और सबको लगा था कि मैं बस अभी UPSC देने जाने वाली हूँ. Deep down, I knew that's never going to happen, and
Yeah.
I was very sure that I have to be in media industry and particularly in broadcast media is what I was aiming for. Then second year से मेरे मस्ती का चार्ट नीचे आया और मेरे academic का चार्ट थोड़ा ऊपर जाने लगा, and it was high time that I realized that I need to just start studying now. Yeah, so I got my first internship, which was in an e-newspaper in Delhi called as Raisena Hills,
Okay.
where I was doing absolutely unpaid work. Okay, I was a slave. labor.
दिहाड़ी.
मुझे दिहाड़ी भी
दिहाड़ी से
नहीं
लगा रखा.
मिलता था
अच्छा, हाँ,
यार.
right, दिहाड़ी भी.
कुछ नहीं मिलता था.
Yeah.
Though that internship taught me a lot,
Yeah.
taught me patience, taught me can't be angry, and number 3 that this is how it is going to work. Okay, this is like the ladder that we all slowly climb.
Yeah.
Then I got my first paid internship, which was in a social media management called as Dot Studio. It's closed. It doesn't exist. Yeah, they were also paying people like us, so it is banda wo.
ठीक है.
Yeah, that was there. Highest that I have earned through any internship throughout my college years has been like max 15K.
15.
That's it.
हाँ. Okay. Yeah.
So again, जैसे इसने बोला कि पहले हम 5 और 8,000 पे थे, तो 15 तो मेरे लिए like मतलब अब आएगा मैक की लिपस्टिक. ठीक है,
हाँ.
अब इससे नीचे कुछ नहीं होगा.
Yeah.
I think Delhi was a period of our life where we just did absolutely everything. Okay.
Yeah. Next, I think we can start the next section. Basically,
City number 2.
Which is city number 2, where we both ended up after college. I obviously went before her because
1 year before me.
1 year before her, which is Mumbai, right? So I got placed in Morgan Stanley. तो वहाँ पे Mumbai office में my orientation, training, everything was there. So that is where I started. Now fortunately, Mumbai में again as I mentioned घर था उस time. तो but dude मेरा घर रेंट बच गया. मुंबई में सबसे बड़ा खर्चा वही होता है. And but the problem was my home is in चेंबूर and ऑफिस मेरा गोरेगांव में था. तो अब किसी को मुंबई का मैप पता है अगर तो चेंबूर इज लाइक हेयर इज BKC बांद्रा कुर्ला कॉम्प्लेक्स. यहाँ साउथ बॉम्बे है. ठीक है, यहाँ से ऊपर जाओ धीरे धीरे तो अंधेरी आता है, फिर इसके ऊपर जाके गोरेगांव आता है. तो ये पूरा सफर almost 24 kilometers one way. I had to drive every day to and fro.
There's like no proper ऐसे flyway or what?
द ओनली ठीक है वो चेंबूर से BKC के लिए कनेक्टर है. ठीक है, श्योर उससे हेल्प हो जाती है. बट मिनिमम 45 to 50 minutes मिनिमम आई एम सेइंग ऑन अ वेरी गुड डे. नहीं तो घंटा तो लगता ही था वन वे. And I was driving every day, and this is one of the core reasons जो मेरी मुंबई के लिए थोड़ी सी hatred है ना. Although I appreciate the good parts of the city, but
I love it.
मेरा जो opinion form हो गया है ना about the traffic, about the people, about the way people drive there is very skewed. तो इसीलिए मेरे को मुंबई will never be at Delhi level for me. But sure, I have experienced the good parts as well.
Yeah.
She is a Mumbai lover. But
Love it. It doesn't mean that I hate Delhi or
of
whatever.
course,
It's just that I've had a better college life in Mumbai because I got into Xavier's Institute of Communication, XIC, and I was doing a 10-month PG diploma from there, journalism course I was doing there. And my college was in South Bombay. So it's like what 500 meter from Marine Drive.
हाँ, ऐसी जगह कॉलेज हो तो फिर अच्छा ही लगेगा ना मुंबई. The southest of South Bombay में इसका कॉलेज था. And like सुंदर सड़कें and like
all that Victorian infrastructure.
all that Victorian architecture. Even the college itself is so pretty, man. I think college में तो बहुत सारी movies भी shoot हुई हैं.
Yeah, Vaste song or that recent film, no, that everybody loves. What is that? Ahan Pandey's movie.
Oh, Sayyara.
Sayyara. Yeah.
was shot in their college.
Exactly.
So the college was good and yeah, I think let's come to the expenses part of it. तो मेरे लिए तो again since rent नहीं था, so I was saving a lot there and बाकी तब तो फिर salary आ गई थी. So the first salary that I was drawing was around 95 to 1 lakh per month.
Per month.
That was my in hand salary.
Yeah. You had
And
no
nothing-
rent
I had no rent.
expense. You had no
हाँ.
food expense as such.
हाँ,
It was just a
and-
petrol bill, I think, little bit. और
हाँ
वो
हाँ
भी-
हाँ, right. So petrol I was
Yeah.
paying, and that was I think a good amount. I think महीने
Yeah.
का
A lot actually. I
5
mean,
से 7 हजार
24
तो मिनिमम हो
kilometers
जाता
one way
होगा.
you're doing.
या easy.
Yeah.
महीने का टोटल खर्चा कितना हो जाता होगा? If I was going out with friends, let's say once a week भी जा रहा हूँ मैं, every weekend or whatever, then if I add that up, add the fuel expenses, maybe 25,
That's
maybe
still-
25, 30
That was
max.
my rent.
Maybe 25, 30. So yeah, Mumbai में I was living a very good life.
Lavish life.
Lavish life. मतलब
Yeah.
कोई expenses ही नहीं थे, sorted था.
हाँ.
But हाँ, my experience was not that.
Fine. For me, Bombay has been too good.
हाँ.
I loved every second of Bombay. I know it's Mumbai now, but because I was living in South Mumbai, everybody used to refer it as Bombay, and that's how I've known it. So why Bombay has been like, or Mumbai has been like really close to me, is because I was living in South Bombay, of course, because everything was just pretty. But if I talk about the expenses over there, my rent in a Machis Ka Dibba was for 19,500.
This is for a shared room, by the way.
Yeah, shared room, and I'll attach the photos if you want to see or something. It's a 19th floor I was living, and we had a sea-facing, by the way, apartment.
That was the only good thing about
only
it.
good thing,
मतलब-
and why they charge us so much,
हाँ.
obviously.
नहीं बट so much क्या इससे सस्ता मतलब because उस टाइम पापा वहाँ पे थे तो I had asked him as
Yeah.
well to help out a little bit.
Yeah, true.
So we helped her a little as well because she had to come and straight up like there were 2 days में her session was starting.
हाँ.
So she
I
needed a
gave-
place to stay immediately.
Correct.
तो फिर हमने ही कहीं से ढूंढा था and even if you go anywhere rent तो minimum है भाई ये 15-16 तो is like minimum sort
Bare
of
minimum.
bare minimum वहाँ पे for a shared room we are talking about like
Yeah.
a very small shared room.
Yes.
Right.
मेरे रूममेट का सूटकेस रूम जितना ही था जब वो अपना सूटकेस लेकर आई. She actually had to keep her suitcase on the bed, and she would sleep on that suitcase and little bit of bed whatever is left. And on top of it there was this cockroach situation. अगर तुम साउथ बॉम्बे में हो तो तुम जानते हो चूहे और कॉकरोच जो है वो
Yeah.
तुम्हारे साथ रेंट शेयर करते हैं.
हाँ, but देते नहीं हैं.
देते नहीं है,
हाँ,
बट
room
हमारा
share
तुम्हारा
करते
रूम
हैं.
शेयर करेंगे.
हाँ.
हर जगह से millions of cockroaches are there.
Yeah.
Okay, and to a point हमारे खाने में वो गिर रहे थे, तो we
हाँ,
had to
तो-
change, and we were paying यार 19,500 per person.
पर पर्सन मतलब ये उस रूम का 40,000 रुपए दे रहे थे भाई.
Yeah.
I can't even explain how small it was.
It was,
If we
yeah.
can, we will attach some photos यहाँ
Yeah,
पर
yeah, yeah, you
and
will
people
see.
will understand
Yeah.
how small that room was.
One good thing was कि एक तो 19th floor पर तो जब बारिश होती थी the view was
Oh, oh, oh.
something else.
Yeah.
and
Sea facing तो
sea
था.
facing था तो बहुत
Yeah.
सुंदर सी दिखता था. मरीन ड्राइव दिखता था वहाँ से.
हाँ. तो कैसा how was your college experience though?
College experience, I'll tell you. It was beautiful. I mean, so after like 2 weeks of rigorous Mumbai में छानबीन करने का and everything, we finally got this beautiful BMC building में एक घर. और उसमें भी मेरा रेंट कुछ ज़्यादा कम नहीं हुआ, कुछ मात्र 3,000 रुपये कम हुए, but it was a very spacious apartment. So yeah, that traveling anyway, it's काली पीली, so मीटर पे चलता है तो not like a
हाँ
lot.
dude ये बात है.
Yeah.
One thing I want to point out, मुंबई में ऑटोज एंड काली पीली
Yeah.
are so cheap. Even ऑटोज मीटर चलते हैं for the same distance
Yeah.
ना. वहाँ दिल्ली में मीटर वूटर का तो फंडा ही नहीं है.
मुंह
दिल्ली
मांगी
में
रकम.
दिल्ली में उन्होंने सेट कर रखा है सारे ऑटो वालों ने मिलके कि भाई समय पर बादली से DTU का तो लेंगे ही हम. 15 रुपए लेंगे, 20 रुपए लेंगे, जो भी लेंगे.
That's e-rickshaw price
हाँ, that's
actually.
e-rickshaw और वो
हाँ.
शेयरिंग में 6 लोग जा रहे हैं उसी रिक्शा
उसी
में.
की रिक्शा
ऑटो में
में,
जाओगे
yeah.
तो 100 रुपए फिक्स कर रखा है उन्होंने.
हाँ.
यहाँ पे मीटर चलता है सब कुछ एंड मीटर
Yeah.
इज वे चीपर.
It's just food actually, to be honest, in the college, because सारे books और सब कुछ everything was included. We had a very good library, so that was sorted. But खाना बहुत expensive था वहाँ पे, क्योंकि वहाँ की कैंटीन subsidized या जैसे हमारे DU या DTU में हुआ करती थी वैसी कुछ भी नहीं थी.
अच्छा,
तो one dosa plate was for like 110 rupees,
Oh damn,
which
ये
was a
तो
lot.
प्रॉपर रेस्टोरेंट टाइप हो गया ये तो.
Yeah,
हाँ.
and same dosa and a bigger dosa I was getting in DU for 30 rupees.
हाँ.
So yeah, that was the main expense.
हाँ.
तो मिला जुला के महीने का personal expense मिला के that 16,500 would be my rent, and then I would get 5,000 घर से again for my खर्चा, personal खर्चा, and then खाने का best part था कि मुझे 5,000 अलग से मिलता था because we used to cook for ourselves.
हाँ.
So yeah, in all मोटा this was the expense for every month for me, especially in Mumbai.
Around 25 to 30 के बीच
30 के
में.
बीच में, yeah,
हाँ.
that was a lot. During the last month of being in XIC, हमारे placements शुरू हो गए थे. या तो तुम 2 महीने का internship कर लो, जो भी तुम्हें मिल रहा है offering
हाँ।
जो भी कॉलेजेस में जो भी कॉलेज के अंदर कंपनीज आती थी,
हाँ।
तो मेनली वो कंपनीज जो थी इंडियन मीडिया थी,
हाँ।
बी इट टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया, इंडियन एक्सप्रेस, एंड दे ऑल वर हायरिंग फ्रेशर के ट्रेनी कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंट या
अच्छा,
ट्रेनी
also-
जर्नलिस्ट के कैटेगरी
Yeah,
पे.
also give a little breakdown of what are the sort of salaries that they offer. लोगों को थोड़ा पता चले भाई कि जर्नलिस्ट को कितना सैलरी. Honestly भाई, I know this fact, but I feel I don't understand इतनी disparity क्यों है. मतलब
Even I don't get it.
मतलब a very simple thing like यार, अगर इस देश में न्यूज़पेपर छपना बंद हो जाएगा, अगर जर्नलिस्ट धरने पे बैठ जाएंगे,
Yeah.
तो सारे अंकलों को क्या होगा इस देश के? रोज सुबह जो
God
अखबार
knows.
उठते हैं.
Yeah.
तो I would urge the
Media
the media
people.
houses to please थोड़े alliance बनाओ अपनी and please start paying these guys more. But anyways, हाँ, please tell the audience fresher trainee journalist को कितना मिलता है and what you ended up with.
मैंने तो लिंक्डइन पे भाई छानबीन करना शुरू कर दी थी अपने लास्ट 3 मंथ ऑफ बीइंग इन कॉलेज से ही.
Yeah.
सो आई वाज अवेयर कि इट्स गोना बी लिटिल डिफिकल्ट, क्योंकि कॉलेजेस में जो भी कंपनीज आ रही थी, दे वर पेइंग अस मैक्स टू मैक्स 3.5 to 4 lakhs per annum. I'm talking
annum,
about,
yeah.
which is like what, barely 15K a month.
Yeah.
उस पे हमारा रेंट वाज लाइक 16,500. तो अगर तुम बॉम्बे में किसी की नौकरी लगवा रहे हो, तो हाउ कैन यू इवन एक्सपेक्ट कि वो बंदा रेंट भी पे कर पाएगा?
Yeah, it's very.
Yeah. So anyway, this was whole thing. और लास्ट 1 महीना ऑफ कॉलेज जब प्लेसमेंट था, भाई बहुत बुरा माहौल था कॉलेज में, because everybody was on edge.
Placement season में यही होता है.
Yeah, everybody, I know my friends, we all were preparing. हमारे टेस्ट होते थे, हमारे इंटरव्यूज. एक तो इन्हें पैसे देने नहीं है, ऊपर से भाई 5 layers of interview, 6 layers of interview. Why? Why? No idea. Yeah, that was it. And then I almost got placed into a company for a really good package, and I'm saying really good means industry standard wise it was really good. It was the 6-8 LPA-ish.
Which company is this?
The Quint.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, I almost got into that, and then yeah, that never really happened. And then I was left with nothing. And then again at the like last day of the college, I remember हमारा sports day था XIC का, and I was playing badminton and I was full frustrated कि shit सबकी नौकरी लग जाएगी, मेरी नहीं लगेगी. And also because भाई इसके बाद वापस घर जाना पड़ता और हाथ में कोई नौकरी नहीं थी. And इसके बाद तुम ऐसा भी नहीं कि एक और मास्टर्स कर लोगे, क्योंकि तुमने DU में तो ये वाली चीज़ कर दी थी वापस कि अभी मास्टर्स कर लेंगे तो you know हम अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट को 1 साल और इग्नोर कर देंगे. बट अब यहाँ पे कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था. देन आई अप्लाइड फॉर रॉयटर्स वाया लिंक्डइन अगेन. आई गॉट अ कॉल. आई वाज लाइक व्हाट. या एंड देन the HR person from Reuters was like, we are coming to your college, so we are going to merge your application. That happened, and I very patiently was like,
basically they came to your college only.
That was the last
or
company
campus
that
hire.
came.
The last company.
Yeah.
And probably
Last day.
like the best.
the best.
In terms of
Yeah.
industry standards, the job and salary वगैरह भी,
हाँ.
which you can get into later.
Yeah.
But हाँ बता फिर.
So yeah, that happened, and then I gave interview. I think 5 of us from college gave interview for Reuters.
हाँ.
2 of us got shortlisted for the interview part. बस वो लास्ट स्पोर्ट्स डे वाले दिन पे आई हैड टू गिव माई इंटरव्यू, एंड आई रिमेंबर आई वाज लाइक शिट गॉड, दिस हैज टू हैपन, अदरवाइज आई हैव नो अदर ऑप्शन लेफ्ट एंड I'll have to go home. So I was like fully prepared. मैंने profit loss, inflation, because Reuters is a business wire
Financial,
agency.
yeah.
So they asked us all kind of these math questions, be it profit loss, inflation number बताओ, currency depreciation बताओ, ये सब रट लिया. I was like, I will not let them know that all of this is like a rattafication. Okay. Yeah. And then I gave, both of us, one of my classmates also gave the interview, and then same day at the end of the day when there was a final match फुटबॉल का, randomly मैं खड़ी हूँ, वॉक कर रही हूँ अपने दोस्तों के साथ, अपना रोना गाना कर रही हूँ कि शिट मेरी नौकरी तो नहीं लगी, अब क्या होगा. And then I got a call from them and they're like, you are selected, and I was like yeah. So yeah, that pretty much that was my last day of XIC, and I was like finally
And funnily
employed.
enough, मतलब
It was in Bangalore.
हाँ भाई, मतलब कि these media houses, most of their setups are in Mumbai or in Noida, I think, right?
Yeah, Noida Film City.
Noida Film City, but I think it was the only company that was hiring for Bangalore.
Yeah.
And as fate would have it, इसकी
Yeah.
लग गई उसमें.
I am following you everywhere.
Yeah, dude. मतलब तो फिर मैं तो already Bangalore आ गया था.
हाँ.
And then this happened.
Yeah.
But I think you had to spend some 2-3 months घर पे ना, बीच में joining late थी तेरी.
Yeah, my joining was in September and I graduated in
3-4 महीने पहले, 3
March.
महीने पहले में भी. I
Yeah,
think,
I graduated in March.
हाँ. So
yeah, I was at home. तब तो मेरे expenses का कोई लोचा ही नहीं था.
हाँ,
Because yeah, मेरी मम्मा मेरे साथ थी, माई ATM, so she
Yeah.
was taking care of everything. और
Yeah.
एक बेशरम औलाद की तरह मैंने उनसे बहुत खर्चे करवाए तब.
Yeah.
But yeah, that was really sweet time. I got to spend time with my family, which was not
Yeah.
happening since what, 4 years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And you came to Bangalore, so our final city that
Yes.
both of us are in currently.
Yes, the final section of this video.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think let's start with the expenses wala ही only to give a brief. Bangalore में when I had come, so I was sharing a room. तब तो so
हाँ.
3 of my friends were already here, so they were in a 3 BHK. तो फिर मैं आया, तो then we were like कि अभी तो क्या ही नया घर ढूंढेंगे. They were like for some time let's just share a room. We'll look at it later, है ना. तो फिर I used to share the biggest room with another one of my friend. तो I think उस टाइम में rent 8,000 था. तो very chill.
Good.
And by the way, Bangalore rents are fine, man.
Yeah,
They're
they
not
are
very bad.
fine.
मतलब मुंबई से तो comparison ही नहीं है कुछ. तो
Yeah.
I think
Delhi has been the cheapest.
Delhi will be probably the cheapest.
Yeah.
हाँ. Delhi में भी sure if you want to like it's all about the location.
साकेत वगैरह
हाँ,
में रह रहे हो
वही
तो
वही.
obviously it's going to be expensive,
वही.
but क्योंकि हम बहुत ही रेसिडेंशियल
हाँ,
एरियाज
हाँ,
में
हाँ.
रहते थे,
Right.
पुरानी दिल्ली साइड, तो
Yes.
it was fine.
It was chill. हाँ. Delhi probably the cheapest. Then
Yeah.
Bangalore I would say, and then Mumbai.
Yeah.
तो Bangalore में भाई वो था. Now we've shifted. तो अब मेरे रूम का रेंट अराउंड 19K है. But it's a pretty amazing room.
Villa.
तो
Villa
मतलब
it
हाँ,
is.
it's like a proper हमारा जो पूरा हमने ले रखा है, that's like a 4 BHK villa.
Yeah.
तो उसमें हम 5 लोग रहते हैं. टॉप फ्लोर सबसे बड़ा रूम है, वो 2 लोग शेयर करते हैं. बाकी सिंगल रूम है, मेरा भी सिंगल है. And but yeah, it's a मतलब it feels worth paying.
Now in Bangalore, what is your topmost expense?
In Bangalore.
And what is your salary now? Because he was in
हाँ.
Morgan Stanley earlier,
हाँ, right.
now he's in Google. So obviously
हाँ.
there has been like an upward graph in your salary as well.
Yes. Basically, when I came to Bangalore, I was still in Morgan Stanley. I came because मेरी टीम यहाँ की थी. मेरी सारी
correct.
training and stuff मुंबई में था. So I spent 6-8 months there, and then I switched here. And then I spent I think around 4-5 months more in the same company. But by that time, I was already looking to switch, and then फिर हुआ पूरा 2-3 महीने का process. Google के interview दिए and everything happened. फिर मैं Google में हो गया select. तो अब now coming to the salary, I think per month अब 1.6 to 1.8
Yeah.
टाइप की रेंज रहती है इन हैंड सैलरी की. दिस इज फॉर द L3 सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग पोजीशन जो
Yeah.
एंट्री लेवल वाली होती है.
Yeah.
इसके अलावा स्टॉक्स वगैरह मिलते हैं, बट दैट कीप्स वेरिंग मंथ टू मंथ. बट या दिस इज द इन हैंड सैलरी. एंड ऑफ कोर्स तो थोड़ा सा लाइफस्टाइल भी इंक्रीज हो गई है. थोड़ा खर्चा करने में इतना बुरा नहीं लगता. एंड थोड़ा बहुत करना भी चाहिए यार. आई फील थोड़ा बहुत जो चीज़ों से खुशी मिलती है उन चीज़ों पे थोड़ा मैं खर्च करता हूँ.
But I like still feel we've come such a long way, right?
या
कहाँ 5,000 में हम
हाँ.
सोचते थे कि शिट भाई पूरी दुनिया खरीद लेंगे इतने में,
हाँ.
तो क्या है, बहुत पैसे हैं.
हाँ.
स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली जब तुम और पैसे कमाने लगते हो,
Yes.
which is like a significant number, ऐसा भी नहीं कि
हाँ.
कुछ करोड़ों में हम बात कर रहे हैं.
Right.
बट येस, पर्सनल स्टैंडर्ड के अकॉर्डिंगली भी देखो तो तुम पहले एक ओरिजिनल बुक लेने के लिए, फॉर एग्जांपल मुझे बुक्स पढ़ना बहुत पसंद है, एंड आई विल ऑलवेज यूज टू, नॉट ऑलवेज, मोस्टली आई यूज टू गो फॉर द पायरेटेड कॉपी बिकॉज आई एम सॉरी,
पेपर बैक वाला राइट.
चीप, दे आर जस्ट चीप.
Yeah, yeah, of
ओके,
course.
ओरिजिनल कॉपीज खरीदना है लाइक 500-600
बट
रुपीस.
अब बट कितना मजा आता है वो हार्ड
Yeah.
कवर वाली बुक खरीदी पढ़ने में,
Yeah,
राइट.
so these are the little upgrades
Yeah,
that
and-
I really appreciate now.
हाँ, so like spending on things like health, for example, पहले all day we used to eat just junk and
Yeah.
and surprisingly पता नहीं तब उतना वेट चढ़ता भी नहीं था.
Yeah.
मतलब श्योर वो उसी का ही चढ़ा हुआ सारा अभी तक उतार रहा हूँ मैं. but
Same.
it wasn't as bad.
Yeah.
right. but आजकल that is the one thing that I would like spending on कि यार थोड़ा good quality food खाना मंगा रहा हूँ बाहर से, तो अच्छा थोड़ा सा 50-100 रुपये एक्स्ट्रा देके थोड़ा हेल्दी खाना मंगा लो, थोड़ी कम कैलोरीज खा लो, एंड यू नो स्पेंड मोर ऑन सप्लीमेंट्स. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं इम्प्रैक्टिकल खर्चे नहीं करता, श्योर मैं वो भी करता हूँ, बट फंक्शनल इम्प्रैक्टिकल खर्चे जिसको खरीद के मेरी लाइफ में थोड़ा कुछ अपग्रेड हो रहा है, मेरा कुछ फायदा हो रहा है. इट्स नॉट लाइक बिल्कुल ही थ्रो अवे, वो भी हो जाते हैं थोड़े बहुत. बट हाँ, ऑब्वियसली यू इंक्रीज योर, आई मीन दैट इज व्हाई वी आर अर्निंग, राइट. मतलब क्यों ही कर रहे हैं अगर खर्च नहीं करेंगे तो. तू बता तेरा बैंगलोर आके हाउ इज योर सैलरी, क्या खर्चे हो रहे हैं, हाउ इज योर रेंट एंड
So
स्टफ
I
लाइक दैट.
get 50K a month as a journalist in Bangalore.
Yeah.
My rent is now somewhere around 11K,
Ah.
and plus electricity, water bill, etc. Whatever. So it's like 15K I will spend on all the basic things. Then yeah, there is food, etc. Canteen में खाना मिलता है, which is fine, which is okay. So not that big of a problem. Apart from it, meal prep हो जाता है आजकल. So yeah, meal prep would cost me like 5K a month max. That much. One of the biggest expenses, one-time expenses that I think I had to do was the gym membership part.
हाँ.
Because never really did. पापा ने पे किया था इसके पहले, तो I realized कि shit यार 16,000 एक बार में जाने is like a very big खर्चा. But yeah, it's a वही वाली बात है ना, धीरे धीरे बड़े हो रहे हो तो समझ रहे हो कि भाई यहीं पे खर्चा करना है यार. Yeah, and best part is that now I can go on trips whenever, wherever I want to go. So these are all the little things that brings joy. Adult money is the real joy actually.
So and how's your job like? Because I know उसके भी अपने quirks हैं.
Yeah. So I work in a breaking news environment. So it's a 24/7 desk where we are monitoring any and everything that is happening around the world. Right. So I am in a team which is known as the Global News Monitoring. So we work in 3 different kinds of shift. One is the morning shift, which is from 7 to 3. The second shift starts from afternoon, which is 3 to 11. And the last shift is 10 in the night to 6 in the morning. So this is a cycle. And you keep on switching between these 3 cycles every month by month. So right now, I'm in the afternoon shift. Luckily, it's my off today. That's why I'm able to shoot this. Otherwise, मैं भी office में होती. And
weekend में भी काम करना होता है कभी.
Yeah, we work on weekends also. It's not like 7 days of work it is. 5 days ही है, but कभी-कभी एक weekend का कुछ Saturday Sunday we have to cover. So yeah, anyway I mean it's a very वो वाला thing ना कि passion भी है और पैसे भी कम हैं तो you trade off a little bit. But in all you get to learn so much. This is something that I was dreaming for. This is probably my dream job. That I was sitting in my छोटा सा कमरा and I was.
But you wanted to go to broadcast, right? Broadcast journalism you wanted to do.
Yes, correct.
But I think
just to start, I think it's not a bad place to start.
100%. But I think even as a fresher, broadcast में मिलता भी नहीं है ना.
Yes.
You have to spend some time at the desk and learn
and
all this stuff.
And worst is that if you are in print media, for example, if you are in all of these print publications, your salary would be somewhere around again 25k per month.
Yeah, that's
and there are no fixed hours. To all these
at least
profiles.
For your it's a corporate setting.
Yes,
so.
It's a very structured setup, so I'm thankful for that at least.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's how it works for me here in Bangalore.
Yeah, I mean the disparity is crazy. This is this is one point that it's not.
But it's okay. I mean, can't really complain about it. I chose this for myself.
Yeah.
So, but in all honesty, I really do enjoy my work. I mean, the kind of stories and the kind of things that I get to cover on day-to-day or hourly basis is amazing. Be it the current Gulf War. So yeah, Reuters was one of the first companies who broke the news to the world that the Gulf countries are like in a war now. So just to sit there and witness all such news in real time is crazy.
Yeah, I mean, at least you're enjoying it. That's अगर वो भी नहीं होता तो फिर तो
you need to enjoy. If you're getting paid in like some peanuts or something, you really need to enjoy your work.
And by the way, by industry standards in your industry, this is the maximum you can make as a
straight
fresher.
Out of college.
As a fresher, exactly, with no work ex at all.
Yeah.
So I mean, it's the best out of best basically what you could have done.
Yeah, ये हमारे engineering वाले part Google का version है.
This is the journalism Google.
Yeah.
And और कुछ रह गया क्या?
नहीं यार.
We have talked about Delhi.
Everything.
Delhi, Bombay हो गया.
Yeah, this feels like that nostalgia trip, कि बस बैठ के हमने गपशपें मारी है for like straight 2-3 घंटा.
Yeah, and surprisingly, वही after we met, somehow we have hopped the same cities, थोड़े different timelines में.
Yeah.
And हम
on different salary brackets
different salary brackets, different experiences.
Correct. By the way, this guy has never been to local, okay? Yeah, इसने local चढ़ा नहीं है life में.
अरे भाई.
And I was like, how is this possible?
It's not like कि मेरे को चढ़ना है नहीं. I just because वहाँ पे घर था तो घर पे गाड़ी थी. I love to drive.
Anyway.
तो फिर I used to drive every day. And thing is, even with local ना, the problem was it's not like I didn't explore that option. Then what I would have achieved अगर मैं drive करके चला जाता.
I'm just saying that.
हाँ, बढ़िया.
No local. At all.
But somehow I've never experienced. Even मेरे बॉम्बे के जो लोकल दोस्त थे, actually I feel ऐसा होता था कि since I used to have a car, मेरे बॉम्बे के सारे जो लोकल दोस्त थे, there is मेरे स्कूल की भी एक दोस्त है, then my colleagues that had joined Morgan Stanley with me, वहाँ भी 2-3 लोग वहीं के थे. तो अब वो लोग तो लोकल बहुत ट्रैवल करते थे, उनके लिए गाड़ी ऐसी लग्जरी होती थी, तो अगर मैं साथ हूँ तो मतलब अब गाड़ी में ही जाएंगे सब. तो फिर मैं कभी लोकल में गया ही नहीं, क्योंकि I always used to drive. So I love driving anyways, but Mumbai was a real test. But sure, ठीक है तब भी.
Anyway, we need to like bring this video to an end now.
But
we keep talking.
Yeah.
So yeah, अब तुम्हारी ऊपर है ये कि कौन से सैलरी ब्रैकेट से कौन से सिटी में तुम बैठे हो और देख रहे हो एंड लाइक where do you feel more close to the 50k a month or like what 2 LPA a month or whatever. So just tell us in the comments.
मतलब this was ऐसा कुछ हमने कोई फाइनेंशियल एडवाइस तो दी नहीं है इस वीडियो में.
Yeah, it was just
This
a
is just
ranting
our
video.
experience and whatever. So yeah, if you've been here till the end, if you've not been here till the end as well, तो भी प्लीज लाइक कर दो वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब कर दो चैनल को हाथ जोड़ के बिकॉज लास्ट 3-4 वीडियोस हैव नॉट बीन डूइंग वेरी वेल तो मेरी मोटिवेशन थोड़ी सी डाउन है. वीडियो में पोस्ट करता रहूँगा बट वो थोड़ी एक्साइटमेंट वीडियो की बढ़ जाती है ना व्हेन यू लाइक गेटिंग गुड रिस्पॉन्सेज बट या व्हाटएवर. सो या लाइक द वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल and thank you Mika for coming here and opening up about your expenses, about your journey and yeah, it's very well appreciated. Show her some love in the comments.
Yeah, you can subscribe to my channel as
well.
well.
Yeah. She's also starting. I think she has already started her YouTube channel. So yeah, subscribe to that as well. We will see you in the next one.
Bye.
Goodbye.